joy.
Okay, Breezy, you can go. You can play wherever you want. Yay! I can't wait. I see my friend there. Can I go play with her? You sure can. Yay! Cranberry, do you want to come? Sure, let's go play. Let's go. Should we go on the Ferris wheel? Yeah. Oh, but there's only one spot left. Well, how about we go right here? Yeah, in this little grass. Yay. Hello. Do you want to help me build these logs with me? Oh, sure. Yeah. All right. Here. I got this heavy log. Let's build a tower. Is that what you're doing? Yeah, I'm trying to make a tall tower with these. Okay. Cranberry, get one of these. Get one. Oh, Mrs. Gobbles. Are you okay? Oh, gobble, gobble, gobble. I think I am. I just fell a bit. I'm fine now. Oh, glob, 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 glob. Okay, well, it's good to see that you're good. That you're okay. Glob, 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 glob. Okay, here's a log. And now you can finally put the last log on top. Do you want to put it on, Owl? Sure. Oh, this little log is here. I need to take it off. And finishing touch. There we go. And now a teeny little log can be staying right there. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Gobbles. It's fine. Gobble, 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 gobble. All right. There we go. We made our little tower. Yay! Whoa, whoa! Oh no, you ruined it. What did you do, Cranberry? You ruined our tower. We worked hard for it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Well, we can make a bigger tower now. We can make an even better one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's start over. Come on, let's get back to work and make a bigger and better one. And the final touch. There we go. Now it's a big giant log, and I can sit up here on this little log. We made it so big and cool now. Yay! All right. Well, that was nice playing with you guys. Yeah, that was really fun. All right, I'm just gonna sit by the tower. Okay, bye. Bye. Where should we go now? I don't know. Ooh, right here. It's just so boring. Oh, hi. Hi. Huh? What's that? Lily. Lily. It's Flower Petal. What do you want? What do you need, Flower Petal? Do you want to play together? Yeah. I just wanted to tell you, you can come on the Ferris wheel with me if you want. Oh, yeah, I would love to, but there's no more space in your cart. There's one up over me, right there, that green one. Oh, yeah, that's empty. Oh, okay. Yay! And now we can all go in the Ferris wheel. Tag, you're it. Huh? Oh, our prank tag? Yeah. Hey. Tag. Woo! You can't catch me. come up here. Ha 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 ha. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, yes, I can. Ah, tag. Tag. Let's play hide and seek. Okay, you're it. Okay. I'll count. I'll count right here. No, right there. Oh, hey guys, wanna join us? Yeah, you. Oh, okay. What are you guys playing? Yeah, what are you guys playing? We're playing hide and seek. Oh, okay. Here, so, my brother is hiding, and now, we have to hide, okay? Okay, we're doing it. I'm gonna hide right here. Is this a hiding spot? I guess. Just you can stay there. Wait, without here. I want to stay here. There we go. No. I want to stay. Oh, hi, Mommy. Hello, sweetie. What are you playing? I'm playing with those girls over there. I mean, boys. See, look, they're playing hide and seek. I'm playing hide and seek together, and it's going to be so much fun. Oh, well, have fun, sweetie. Now, I'm actually going to hide at the bush right here. I'm hiding at the bush. There we go. Where should I hide? Should I hide up here? No, the Ferris wheel is still going to move. I'm going to hide right here. Where should I hide? Here. Ready, set, here I come. Ready or not? Or ready or not, here I come. Found you! Found you! Aw, now we have to all go find my brother now. Okay. Found you! Aw, let's play another round. Okay, yeah. Let's do a singing contest. Okay. Well, can you do this? Let me try. I can't do it. Here, you can try another time. Oh, okay. You did it! Yeah, I did it! Yay! Well, can you do this? I'm good at chirping. I did it. Yeah. It's so good looking up here. It's so high. Like, we're just little birds and we're sitting up here. It's so cool. Yeah. Attention, everybody in the park. Shh. Attention. Stop from what you're doing and listen to me. It's the president. Yeah, it's the president. Everybody, this park will have to be closed down in 5 minutes because of a danger issue that people did not find out yet. But we know now. So it has to be closed and for repair. It will be closed for 1 month now. So everybody needs to be careful where they step, okay? Okay? So we're gonna start lining up, okay? And which kind of city you are, okay? All right, everybody. Okay, so we have the little birds. We have the tropical birds. We have the garden birds, birds of prey, and owls, and a turkey. All right, everybody's lined up now. Aww, we can't play anymore. But guys, look. It's actually my birthday today, and I'm having a birthday party. And look, the fun is not over. because I have a jumpy house. See, it's a watermelon. Boing, boing. And then we're also gonna have a little camping place. So we're gonna sleep in this giant pineapple tent. See? Wow. Yeah, so come on guys, let's play. Jump, jump. Woo! Whee! Wee, this is so much fun. Yeah. Woo! Jump, 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 jump. Woo! I'm all tired of jumping. Do you guys want to go in my tent now? Yeah, let's go sleeping. Let's go to sleep. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this was really fun. Yeah, it was even more fun than the park. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's all sleep now. Bye, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I better go back to my house. I was hiding in this hat. Well, bye, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Oh, I better be more quiet because they're sleeping.